We'll guide you through how to update VS Code to ensure you're always using the latest features and improvements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open VS Code on your computer. Once it's open, look towards the bottom left corner of the window, where you'll find the gear icon for settings. Click on it. A menu will pop up, and you should select Check for Updates from this list. This will prompt VS Code to automatically check for any available updates. If an update is available, you'll see a notification, and the update will begin downloading. It's that simple. In case the update doesn't start automatically, you might see a button labeled Install Update. Click that, and the installation will begin. VS Code will usually restart after the update is installed to apply the changes, but if it doesn't, just close and reopen the application. It's important to make sure your work is saved before updating, as some updates require a restart of the program. Keeping VS Code updated ensures that you're benefiting from the latest security patches, performance enhancements, and new features that can make your coding experience more efficient and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.